Hello guys. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 3 important tips that will help you get calls from Naukri every single day. Also, here is the screenshot of my Naukri profile performance, which I have achieved using these 3 tips, which I'll be sharing in this video. And I'll be sharing the most important tip at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Tip number 1, your Naukri profile should be 100% updated and completed. That means all required details should be filled up. One of the most important requirement in your Naukri profile is your resume headline. So your resume headline should consist of all the key skills that is matching your job description. For example, I am applying for a software test engineer job role, right? I'll go and check out different job description and I'll find out all the common key skills. And those key skills I'll be mentioning in my resume headline. For example, have a look on my resume headline. My resume headline consists of specializing in quality assurance, manual testing, UI or Postman, API testing, microservices, and I also have different tool which I have used, right? SOAP UI, Jenkins, Selenium, Jira. So these are the common and resonating key skills for my job profile. Now then comes key skill area. Here you will be adding these similar key skill into your profile. Okay. So for example, in my key skills, I have added all the required key skills that is resonating with my job profile. For example, Java, software testing, SDLC, manual testing, Postman, automation testing, right? So these are the required key skills. So it is very important that you need to find out the key skills which are matching to your profile and through the JDs which HRs are putting on the Naukri profile. After the key skill area, another important detail is your profile summary. Your profile summary should consist of your project details, your tech stack, and tools you have worked on. If you're a fresher, you can mention your project which you have done in your college and you can add your skills over there. For example, Java, SQL, and many others. Apart from these 3 details, you have to fill each and every other detail in your Naukri profile so that you can attain that 100% mark in your Naukri profile. Tip number 2, don't mention your notice period as 90 days. Yes, please don't mention your notice period as 90 days. You will not get any call from Naukri. Either mention it 45 days, but if you think it's very less, then mention it to 60 days. Now, your question will be that my notice period is 90 days, how I can mention it as 60 days? So you must be having payout or buyout option in your company. So if you have so, you can go for 1 month buyout option as well, right? Or if you don't have payout buyout option in your company, you can have a discussion with your manager that I have to leave in 60 days or my offer will be revoked. And after these discussion, in mostly cases, managers do cut down your notice period. So just talk it out, right? You need to have a constant conversation with your manager as well as your new HR, right? And companies do understand your problems and they do settlement as well, right? So please don't mention 90 days or you will not get any call. Mention it 60 days. So this was second tip. Now let's come to tip number 3, which is the most important tip. Tip number 3 is login, update, and apply every single day for at least 30 days. Yes, you need to log in into your Naukri profile every single day. You need to update detail in your Naukri profile every single day, and you need to apply at least 15 to 20 jobs every single day for next 30 months. If you will do so, then you will come in Naukri algorithm and your profile will be suggested to the recruiters itself. So it is very important that you need to log in into your Naukri profile without breaking the loop for at least 30 days. And after 30 days or maybe even after 20 days, you will start getting the calls. Once you will start getting the calls, keep on updating your profile. So it is very important that you are mentioning your key skills in your Naukri profile and you are logging and constantly actively updating your Naukri profile. So what about updating? You just have to go and update your resume every single day, or you can make a small changes in your profile summary details, right? You can just add a skill or delete a skill every single day. That's what you have to do. And Even if you're giving just 15 to 20 minutes every single day, I'm damn sure you will start getting calls from good companies. Also, don't look at the location of the job which you will be applying. Just apply it, because we are applying it to just come in algorithm, right? Just for the sake of coming into algorithm, you just randomly apply to the job. Just make sure that job profile is similar to yours. Don't look at the salary, or don't look at the location, right? So this was tip number 3. I have been practicing this from last 6 months, and I am currently holding multiple offers. I also want you to get your dream job, and I also want you to understand that currently market is very tough, but if you follow these 3 tips, you will be easily able to get calls from HR. I hope you will follow these 3 tips, and if you get your dream job after watching this video, don't forget to add a comment. I'll meet you in another video. Stop scrolling and start learning.